Buenos dias, fuckers. Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually gonna be doing the what do you call it? Hey bro, what do you call it? Oh, nobody's here. No, the runs with this new exhaust. This is the day after I already filmed everything, so I do have to warn you guys, the footage that I was gonna do on the runs, the road ended up being way too loud. So the footage didn't come out, at least for the third person point of view, didn't come out as I wanted to. But I did do a bunch of other runs inside the cabin and other stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy those, since those will be more realistic, since you're going to be in the car, now outside the car. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and we'll continue on with other things. So let's move on with the video. Tell me why it's like 32 degrees here in Sacramento. Look at myself. What? Anyways, guys, I'm excited to show you guys the G, man. The G is back. We're about to do a cold startup. It does kind of sound like the muffler delete a little bit, but oh, it sounds so good. Guys, there's so much shit I want to tell you guys about this exhaust, but I have to go to school. But when I come back, I'm gonna tell you everything about it. Here's a sneak peek, bruh. Oh, that's an i8. Oh shit, that's an i8, boys. What the fuck? What a chance. Give me some space. Alright guys, so let's talk about appearance. Nobody's here in the parking lot, so we're just gonna start now. Later there's gonna be a lot of people. So it is a single exhaust, right? It is kind of funky in the back, not gonna lie. I put my toe hook, what the freak, in the back just to kind of complement it a little bit in the slightest way. But man, that looks good. I think it still has, like, it's still burning the plastic. I didn't cut it far enough. I think I'm gonna have to cut some more, man. Near the connector of the white pipe, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's, okay, well, I don't know if you guys can see it, like right there. There's the two pipes for the white pipe, right? The two pipes. You connect it to the connector that holds the two pipes together. Those have two clamps. I accidentally put the clamps with the bolts facing down, so when I went over speed bumps, it was scraping. So be careful like that. If you guys are gonna install this, make sure to put the clamp with the bolts sideways. I think this is pretty much common sense. I'm just messing up, but you know, that's what it is. But a little overview about it is that the exhaust, when starting up, cold startup, it does sound a little bit raspy, you know, kind of like a muffler delete. Definitely not as loud, but still up there, right? But once this beast gets warmed up, once the exhaust gets warmed up, oh man, is it a beauty. Holy crap, is it cold here in Sacramento. But guys, okay, so I know some of you guys, I got a message on IG by i3. He said, hey, why did you choose a single exhaust? Why not dual? It has two holes, you idiot. I was like, okay, relax, buddy. The reason I chose a single exhaust is because two reasons. I was looking at some sound clips, and even they both sound good, but the single exit just really took it for me. It really warmed my heart, man. It sounded like a song, like Bruno Mars or something. It sounded really, really, really good. And I was like, I have to get it. Second reason why, I was talking to Z1 Motorsports. I was also looking at some comments, but mainly I was talking to Z1 Motorsports. They were talking about, like, as far as performance, and they said that the single exit exhaust just performs better. It has better airflow and things like that. So it'll get me more performance than the dual one. Now, I don't know how much of a difference that is, and I don't think I'll ever find out. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more, but holy damn, you can feel it, guys. You can feel it. I'm not gonna show you guys right now because I don't have my car and I'm not in the parking garage, so I can't really get it. But when we do get to my garage, I say my garage, when we do get to the garage, you can feel it instantaneously how much faster the car is getting. Okay, I'm not talking about Lambo speed, but it is faster. Alright guys, I just got out of prison, school, and we're about to go do the runs. But let's get in the car and let me show you guys everything cool about the new exhaust. Startup. Everybody's looking. I'm shy. Oh shit, I'm shy. Oh shit. Let me see if I could do a little pull right here in the garage before we, go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. Jesus. 3, 2, 1. Ah, freak. No. All right, guys, so a couple things here. I'm just gonna talk about the exhaust alone, how it feels, everything, before we actually get to the pulls and everything. All right, guys, here's the thing. I do have, for those of you guys who are new, I do have some supporting mods. I do have a Platinum Spacer at this time, Z1, and I do have a Z1 short ram intake. It's more tuned, defined. It's more like a song, less of a trombone, more of a BQ sound. You know what I'm saying? All right, second thing I noticed, definitely increase in power. You felt the power instantly, bro, and that's what I like the most about this. I felt it instantaneously. It felt glorious. I felt like I was at the top of the world. I really felt like I was behind a Lambo. Not even gonna lie to you. Okay, not like a Lambo, but you know, you definitely do feel it. I felt it more than the air intake. It's like it escalated. It went from air intake, I was like, okay, a little boost. Platinum Spacer, I was really excited about the Platinum Spacer. I really felt that one too. But the exhaust was just like incredibly, like it just topped everything else and you felt it. Now this is really an accurate way to measure it, because the exhaust is being put on with the other previous two mods. The Platinum Spacer was put on with the intake, and the intake, I guess, alone is the only accurate one, right? But dude, it's amazing. I love this exhaust. It sounds good. It's quiet when it needs to be, and its tune is defined. I love it. There isn't one thing I don't like about, I mean, there is actually. It's the single exit. There is the dual exit, but you wouldn't, I don't think it would be the same as this. All right, you guys, I know you guys loved my transition, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, guys, it didn't fit. It's like fitting a Trojan condom, you know, in a super massive air intake, guys, come on, let's keep this channel clean. Anyways, yeah, it's not gonna fit. All right, guys, I freaking filmed that my camera's really acting stupid, so the SD card, it says like, oh, it needs to format, so like nothing saved. So we came to our road. We couldn't find any roads where we can hit like 60, 70 plus mile runs, but we did find this long, nice road where we can do like maybe 40. We're gonna do a couple revs. We're gonna do an outside perspective point of view, so like my girlfriend's gonna hold the camera maybe far over there, and third one is gonna be inside cabin sound, how it sounds inside the cabin, and I'm gonna record everything with this camera. This is the bigger camera. Ready? Alright, we're gonna do a couple reps. We're gonna do 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000. That was 1,000. That was kind of 3,000. We gotta do. We're gonna find a different spot. We're gonna find a different spot for you guys. Here, hold this guy. I need to put my seatbelt.
Don't they know who you are?
I know, I'm BeDistinct. They should know that. I get free passes.
Are you sure that was a cop?
It was like security. Where did all... I said there's not a lot of cars here. There's like a fucking freeway out here. What the hell?
Did I get that, y'all?
Alright, this part of the video is just so you guys can hear the in-cabin noise and see how loud. I'm going 70 miles per hour, and this is inside the cabin, obviously. Alright, here we're gonna do a mini pull. Here we go. 3. You see, it sounds good, you know? Oh man, that sounded good, dude. Holy shit. Guys, this is the next day. I'm really sorry the road was really loud in those freaking runs, but I figured a couple things on auto, you know, because this is an auto. You know, you get a lot of drone in the first car RPMs, like up to, I said up to 3. But once you get on top of there, it's really smooth. It's not as loud, and it just feels nice, you know. I went ahead and put it on manual mode, and on manual mode is just a different ball game, man. Any first shifts, I mean, first gear, second gear, third gear, any gear, even in the low RPMs, it's just freaking buttery smooth. Nothing, no raps. You guys can see I'm in my car. I'm talking quiet, no cabin noise whatsoever. If I didn't know any better, I could have thought I was in a Honda, you know. So like, and you can hear a noise. If I step on it right now, I'm going on 5th gear, 70 miles per hour. But if I step on it, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Let me see if I can step on it here, so you guys can hear. Maybe you guys hear some cabin noise here of the exhaust. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you guys can hear it. You know. So you know, it's not bad, and the power's there, man. It definitely did help the car a lot, man. Hella, like, you guys don't know, like, you'll definitely feel it. But dyno, any dyno, suck on my dyno, whatever, dude. Full throttle. Oh man, the car's pushing, man. The car is definitely pushing. Way better exhaust. We're gonna go in for probably resonant taste pipes next, and a throttle body, and then we're off to the tuning shop. But yeah, that'll be the end of the era here with the G35, man. Not willing to boost right now just because don't have the money for it, and but I think it'll be interesting to move on to another car. I think maybe this could become like a budget channel, you know. Maybe this car is all budgeted, you know, besides like maybe the exhaust or performance parts, you know, but most of it is budgeted. So like, I know most of you guys, not everybody has money, so probably my channel is for like those of you guys who are looking for budget items that, you know, are not half as bad. So, you know, I don't know, this could go anyway, but it is what it is, guys. We're gonna do a in-cabin pool. Now we're on the streets instead of the freeway. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Very smooth. Very smooth. I love it, dude. Woo. Scraped a little. Woo. Now we're on auto. Way more drone. You guys already hear that. You already see that. It's probably because the exhaust is warmed up already. It's not as much, but in the morning, woo, is there drone. Way more drone. See, a lot more drone. Thank you guys so much for supporting the video. I'm sorry the footage wasn't as best as, you know, it could have been, but we'll definitely reshoot that anytime soon. So thank you guys so much. Take care. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.